In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Grammarly in Chrome. If you're looking to enhance your writing with real-time grammar and spell check, Grammarly is a fantastic tool to have at your fingertips. And the good news is, it's very easy and quick to set up. Let's dive right into it. First, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. If you aren't already using Chrome, now would be a good time to download and install it, as Grammarly works directly within this browser. Once you have Chrome open, you'll need to navigate to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing Chrome Web Store into the search bar, or by using a direct link if you have one. This store is where you can find a variety of extensions that can add functionality to your browser. Next, you'll need to search for Grammarly for Chrome in the search bar at the top left corner of the web store. Hit enter and you should see it pop right up. It's typically one of the top results, clearly labeled with Grammarly's logo, so it should be easy to spot. Searching for it ensures you're downloading the correct extension designed to work seamlessly with your Chrome browser. Once you've found Grammarly for Chrome, you'll want to proceed by clicking the Add to Chrome button. This is usually situated to the right of the extension's name. After you click this, a pop-up window will appear to confirm your choice. You'll need to click on Add Extension to give your browser permission to install Grammarly. This step is crucial as it allows Grammarly to integrate itself with Chrome, enabling it to function properly. After a brief moment, you'll notice that the Grammarly icon appears on your toolbar, along with your other extensions. This indicates that the installation process is complete and Grammarly is now part of your browsing experience. Click on this icon to get started with your Grammarly account. If you already have an account, you can simply log in with your existing credentials. If not, no worries. Grammarly offers an easy sign-up process. Just follow the prompts to create a new account with your email or through one of the other sign-up options available. Having an account allows Grammarly to provide personalized feedback and settings tailored to your writing style. With installation and account setup out of the way, Grammarly is now ready to start working for you. It will automatically begin checking for grammar and spelling errors in any text fields across websites you visit. Whether you're crafting emails, writing documents, or engaging on social media, it's like having a personal editor right in your browser, helping you to communicate clearly and effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Grammarly on Chrome, setting yourself up for more polished and professional writing. Enjoy your enhanced web experience and happy writing.